Putting on our carbon fiber GTS hood. We've already got the hood off. We're going to show you guys how to just do the install, plain and simple. Once you unplug the wiring harness from the old hood, and then after that it's just 4 13mm nuts, and then it comes right off. The studs will come through there, through the brackets, and then we're going to throw the new one right on right now. This install does require 2 people. And lowering the new hood into the brackets, and I'm just going to lightly screw in just to hold it there. The brackets here, and then the studs on the hood here, and you're going to be able to see where the old washers were, and that's a good indicator as to where you're going to be lining up the new hood. So that's where we're going to start, and if we may need to make adjustments from there, we'll do it from that point. You're going to see it's a little tight here. Basically at this point I'm walking around, I'm just looking at my gaps, and that's going to tell me what kind of adjustments I need to make on the brackets to position the panel to just have even gaps all around. And so this one here, everything looks really good on the sides, it's just on the back, so I'm just going to pull this one a little bit forward on the brackets and it should line up nice. Front, we just see it as just a little bit too big for our preference, so what we can do is we could open this up, remove this liner in here, this little weather stripping, and it's going to expose these Torx bolts, and that's going to give you a little bit of range of motion on this front bumper ledge, and that's going to help me close this gap. So we finished up finding the gaps and then isolating the hood into the spot we want. Now I'm just finishing it off by peeling the vent so I can install that in the front. And another thing I want to mention too, for newer cars, this one particularly is a 2016, so it's 2020 now, so it's 4 years old, so the shocks have gone through a little bit of wear. So with the lighter hood, sometimes newer cars, the shocks can be too stiff, and we would recommend taking one of the shocks off. It's just an easy clip, you just pop it off and then you can just tuck it underneath, and that's going to help you go up and down a little bit more smoothly with the lighter hood. If your car's a little bit older and it's got worn down shocks, you may not need to do it though. After I've put in the hook latches, I've also put in the wiring harness. Those will have pre-cut slits in there, and then that's going to basically give you the diagram to make the cut so that you can just insert those right into the bottom of the hood, and then you're good to go. And then at that point you just close the hood. Now with the carbon fiber one, you need to be a little bit more gentle, so I'm going to show you how to do this. You go down with 1 click. You're going to need 2 clicks to finish it off, one at a time. There's one, and you're just finding the spot right above the hook. Just put your body weight into it and it's going to clip right in.